Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today I'm going to show you how you can basically rotate your screen on Windows 11. Let's say you have a weird setup where in which one of the screens you want it in landscape mode, the other you want it in portrait, other maybe you want it in like 180 degree, right? So what you want to do in that case is just have to right click on the desktop, then go to display settings. You have to basically select, if you have a multi-screen setup, you have to select which display you want to change it to. So you select that one first, then you scroll down and there will be an option called display orientation over here. So you can change it to portrait, landscape, portrait, flipped. So I'm not going to change it because I'm currently screen recording, so it won't really have any effect. You will not be able to see any changes even if I turn it to portrait. But trust me, you can change it to portrait and it will basically flip the whole screen 90 degrees, right? It will basically move it to a portrait mode. So that's pretty much it. That's how you change the orientation of your screen in Windows 11.